English with Glory. I am Glory Oyinbode. Today we're going to talk about the differences between these words. Want to look at the difference between the word lose, loss, lose, and lost. I get to see that most people do confuse the difference or they don't really know how to differentiate the words. We're going to look at them and how to use them in sentences. If you're just joining this channel, you're welcome. In this channel, we'll learn about how you can become a better speaker of the English language using good and impeccable diction. The first word we're going to look at today is Loose. Loose. And how do you pronounce the word? The word is pronounced as loose. Loose. The word again, loose. So that is how you pronounce the word. Loose is an adjective which is used to describe something that is not tight, that is not firmly fastened. So when something is not tight or is not firmly fastened in a place, you say it is loose. It is loose. So you don't say loose. My hair is loose. Okay, it is loose. We can also use the word loose in a sentence like don't let your dog loose in the beach. Loose. Loose. Okay, it means not tight or not firmly fastened. The other word we're going to look at today is LOSE. LOSE is pronounced as lose. Lose. Lose is different from loose. Loose is LOOSE and it ends with the S sound, while lose, which is LOSE, ends with the Z sound. Lose is a verb that means to suffer a loss. It is a verb which means to suffer a loss. Okay? It is to lose something. To lose can also mean to stop having something, okay, to stop having an ability or a quality, okay, so you can lose it. It is not the same as loose, which means to unfasten something. Let's use lose in a sentence. We can say, you can make the sentence like, don't lose heart. Don't lose heart. We can make the sentence like don't lose heart. So you don't say don't lose heart. It is not loose. It is lose. So lose and loose are not homophones. The other word we're going to look at today is lost. Lost, which is LOST. Lost. Lost is the past tense of lose. Lost is simply the past tense of lose. It means to be wasted. Okay, wasted. It also means when something cannot be found, it is lost. When something is wasted, it is lost. Okay, so it is the past tense of lose. Let's use lost in a sentence. We have it will be impossible to make up for the lost time. It will be impossible to make up for the lost time. It will be impossible to make up for the lost time. So in that place you have the lost making the O sound. So you say lost. And the last word we're going to look at today is loss. Loss, which is LOSS. Loss. Loss is different from lose and loose. Loss is a noun which means no longer having something or having less of it. Having less of it than you used to have. Loss is a noun, which means no longer having something or having less of it than you used to have. We can have it in the sentences like loss should be gradual. Weight loss should be gradual. There you have the word lost. So I believe you can now differentiate the words lost, loss, lose, and loose. They're not the same thing. They're not homophones. You don't pronounce the words the same way, okay, and you also don't spell it the same way. So you try to take notes of the differences, especially lose and loose, because I do see so many people confusing the word, especially when they're writing. So if you can differentiate them now, you won't make the mistake of writing the word wrongly or pronouncing the words wrongly. I believe you got value from this lesson and you can now differentiate loss, lost, lose, and loose. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, you can do that by hitting the subscribe button below and you can share this video with your friends and loved ones.